What's up, guys? Just thought I'd get some coffee before I say anything to the camera. Because rule number one is to have some coffee before you do anything. So I don't know what you guys are. I'm half asleep if I don't have my coffee. Anyways, we're going for a ride today. There's a few of us meeting up. We'll get it on film. Hopefully, we'll have some fun. This is my first attempt. First practice run at my YouTube channel that's going to be kicking off next year. So we've got some exciting stuff ahead. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. There's a wild Kyle coming out of his natural habitat as he approaches the car. He notices the camera and gets startled. What's up? What's happening?
Not much in you.
Not much? Are you ready for the camera?
Yeah.
Excited?
I am. Where are we going?
Oh, it smells nice. Bronco spread.
Just us?
No, there's a few of us there.
Sick.
Should we wake the neighbors up? Or should we not wake the neighbors up?
Thing on the road before, this is nice.
Yeah. But I'm not going to bring my golf with these fucking cars, there's no way.
Come on, man, bring it.
How's it, buddy?
Yeah, good on you.
Good, thank you.
Don't-
Nice to see you.
Don't mind the camera, I'm just proud.
No problem.
Oh, look at this thing.
Good.
Are you excited? Is this Taz's?
Yeah, I don't think she has that on this one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks nice there. Nice and fresh.
That's Byron. Can only be.
I'll take a video of him coming in.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
How's this look?
Dex says.
They're making noise
Yeah,
here.
it is. He dropped this thing. Fuck.
Looks nice there.
Yeah. Jesus, but I feel like my ass is fast and furious.
Dominic Toretto.
Fire going. Fucking hell. Oh, Daxonators.
What's up?
What's up?
What'd you say?
Yes, I'm so tired.
Is it?
Fuck my life.
Why did you drink last night?
What's up, bit?
He's the one that always takes the videos and photos of my car.
Oh, is it?
How are you?
Good news, yeah?
Sorry,
What's up?
fuck, am I supposed to be formal?
No, it doesn't matter. Say,
Say,
ja,
voilà.
nou wat je nu?
Lekker.
Ja, lekker.
It's Eva's fault, though.
Hij was always late.
I talked too much yesterday, boy. Sorry, man.
How are you? You're well. Great.
Hey, Abby.
That was a bit.
Ja, good nu. What? I don't know where I'm going though. No, just drive safely. Yeah, the roads are a bit unsafe to be a bit like this stupid. Yeah, they're a bit bumpy and shit. So yeah, we'll just take a cruise. You give us a cold start there?
Yeah.
Sure. Oh, that sounds good. Huh?
Started.
Oh, thank you.
Give us a start there, hold it.
It's definitely not going to start loud right now. Fuck you, Cam.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
fantastic. Never been here. I'm hoping it's a runway. What'd you say? How's about a rev there?
Oof, but I'm hungry and I'm fucking Babylon.
Oh no. Give us a rev. Oh yes. Hey, you mustn't drink before runs, eh?
Give you a rev?
Yeah. Sounds like it, eh?
Beautiful bar, bro.
B58 sounds so good. Yeah. Hang on, how do I do this? One speed.
I need petrol as well, eh?
Really? Oh no.
It was
Really?
fucking hell, man, but I'm almost gone now.
Yes. How's it fucking backfire?
Sounds better than 1.6, eh?
Just a little bit.
Thank you.
And then, but I didn't. Every time I looked at it, I was like, this looks so much better for me.
Yeah.
Personally.
The quattro just hooks up it.
Yeah.
Yes. Nice. Good touch there. Yes, it feels solid on the road, eh?
Yeah, and that's what I like about it. With the BM, never felt like that to me, ever.
Yeah.
So
Nice.
yeah, it's got torque everywhere, which is
It's nice when you need power on demand.
yeah.
It's amazing how with the BMs as well, with the backward drive, you can't really like floor off the mark like that. It doesn't give you that same sensation.
Yeah. So that's what I initially wanted. I didn't want to be fucking spinning around everywhere, which it was fun. My M3, I used to have this fucking thing sideways all the time.
Yeah.
But with the kids and that in the car, you think, okay, well, maybe I should just buy something a little bit more sensible. But
Yeah. That's the F90 M5. You said you didn't like that either.
I didn't like the look of it. I
Okay.
loved the way it drove in it.
Yeah. So is this is 2 generations after the V10 Rs6, eh?
The one just after the V10.
Okay.
So V10 was C6, this is C7. Now they've just
Sweet. Nice. This also makes a good noise, eh?
yeah, it does make it's got APR downpipes.
Yeah.
And then obviously stage 2 software.
That's all, then. Something about Audis when they change gear, they've got like a pop.
Yeah, and even stock. I mean, it's stock. It sounds good.
Yeah.
I just wanted a little bit more. So if you put it in comfort, it goes quiet. It's comfortable. It doesn't pop and bang. But when you want it to pop and bang, that's
Does what you want.
yeah. I'm gonna do a launch.
Yeah, geez, that'd be great. Okay, I'll record my reaction here. If we organise a day at Brackman Airstrip, do you think guys will be more keen on like a drag event or like a gymkhana?
I think most acts want a dragger.
Yeah, it's a bit easier. Eh?
Yeah. Most acts now are like enjoying the 800 meter.
Yeah, that's cool. Eh? That was insane. Yeah, my BMW definitely doesn't launch like that. Whew. Sounds great, eh?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, does it rotten.
Yeah, good car. Shot. Yeah, so. That was sick. Where you going? This way. Good color.